up, y'all? Hey, we're fixing to get into rebuilding this Lifetime grill. I had talked about it a couple weeks ago, and pretty much everything on it is going to get rebuilt, just about everything. But what we're going to start with is this Firebox over here. The guy said he didn't like the way it cooked, so everything's coming off. But this is going to be the main thing. It's got to come off of there. There's a door over here. It's going to come off. Going to remove that door and kind of square it up a little bit. If you've been watching for a while, then you've seen me do it to them before. But this is a bracket that I already cut for it. It'll fit up there kind of like that right there. And then we'll start squaring around and put another door on it. I'm going to drop this smokestack down some. Probably going to put bigger wheels on it. But this Firebox is going to be the main thing. I've got one started here already, putting it together. So the first thing we're going to do is get this off of here and get this door off of here. I guess I might as well do the door first because we're probably going to have to flip it around to get to the bottom of that burn box. So anyway, I'm going to get started on that, and after we get that off, see what I'm going to do next because I'm not quite sure. Alright, y'all, I skipped ahead quite a bit on this thing. And the reason being is it's been pouring rain here for days. I mean, you can see I'm standing in a mud hole. And that's after I took all the water out of here. But It's been raining for days, so I've been cooped up in here, man, and I was trying to video some of it. I was trying to get it while I was framing the door and stuff, and it's just been, man, it's been bad in here. So anyway, this is where we're at. I got the door put on. These are for clamps right here, over here. I got it framed up. I got the slides ready for the racks in there. It'll also have tuning plates in it. It'll sit down here. I had to fight this thing hard too, because like most pipe or tanks or anything, they bow out at the top. When you cut the door out, it's going to bow back out at the top and bow back out at the bottom. And there's really nothing you can do about it. I know a guy that would put bands around there before he ever cut it. Like, not like flat ones, but they look like there's about 1 inch or 1.5 inches tall. And that holds them pretty good. And it actually had a good look to it too. But I got the door put on the Firebox. Got the slides put in there. Still got a few things to do. I got to get the wheels put on it. It's got wheels down there. But I'm putting bigger ones on. I got them made somewhere. And I should have done that first, because now it's going to be a headache to do. I should have done it before I ever put this Firebox back on. But I didn't have the stuff here to make the wheels. And so I went ahead and said I'd get it at the end. So now it's probably going to be a pain to do. But anyway, as soon as I can get out of here and get this somewhere half dry, I'm going to start putting the wheels on. I got to put a side table over there. I think I'm just going to go back with the same thermostat that was in it. Right there. You can see we dropped the pipe down. I got all that videoed. Just drop it down about 3 inches. That way it's coming right above that rack right there. So anyway, as soon as I can, I'm gonna get back on it. I'm kind of in a position now where I need to get out of here to do some stuff. So anyway, that's where we're at right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get it finished up. Hopefully get it completed in the next couple days. All right, y'all, I went ahead and got this thing finished up, got it painted and everything. And everything come out real good on it. I wanted to get 2 racks in the chamber, but it's just, I mean, you could put one there, but it's gonna be so small that it's really not gonna be usable anyway. So anyway, let's take a look at it. That's it right there. Like I say, everything came out real good. I dropped the smokestack about 3 inches. It was sitting right up here on the top. Dropped it down about 3 inches. Changed the door. I used the same thermostat in it that it already had. Changed the racks out, made it where it had a sliding rack in it. It also has tuning plates in it that are removable. You can take them out if you don't want to use them. A coal rack down there. And see, that's what I was saying about the second rack. You could have probably put one right there, but I mean, that's so close to the door and to where the top of it is. You might have been able to put some bacon on there or something. That's about it. Did a new firebox on it. There's an ash pan and a coal basket in it. Also put the bigger wheels on it. Putting the bigger wheels on it, that got it a little bit taller too, about 3 inches taller than it was, because it was real short. Some people may like those short grills, I don't know. Mine are typically a lot higher than that. I don't know what you would call it, but it's not eye level, but it's right where I like them, and I think most people like them that way. But anyway, that's it. It came out real good. That's a 16-inch chamber right there. If it had been a little bigger, we could have got that rack in it, but that'll do it. So that'll wrap this one up. He'll probably be coming getting it in a couple days. If it's not raining, I think the rain's supposed to come tonight. I got some videos coming soon on these things. They're all gonna be grills. Something's wrong with all of them. Well, half that one's missing. But they're gonna be grills. Probably smokers. I think one of them, the big ones is gonna be a grill. And the other ones are gonna be smokers. But anyway, be on the lookout for those. It won't be before Christmas, I know that. Because I got too many to get done before Christmas. But it's just something for future. Now I think I should have a whole lot more of smaller ones too coming. So there'll be some of those. Be on the lookout for those. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe. And y'all come back for the next one, man. I'm working on some Santa Maria inserts right now. But I'm not doing a video on them. So anyway, I may have a new machine coming too, so y'all be on the lookout for that. Something new to mess around with, play with. So we'll see you next time, man. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you then.